And so for your back, for example, triangle is a fantastic pose. But most people practice a triangle in a way that is not advantageous for the back. So let me show you how to do that. And what you'll want to do is find a little space on a wall where you can have your feet wide, a little prasarita, with your buns and your blades touching the wall. And you keep your buns and blades touching the wall. Lift tall, press through your feet gently into the floor and lift. And then from here, go into your triangle pose. And feel your alignment here. Make sure everything that should be touching is touching. Your feet are a few inches away from the wall. And you're able to breathe here. When you go into this kind of position, sometimes people don't come in all the way, or if they're used to touching a hand to the floor, you may not. Because now you are not compressed. Now you are using the muscles in your back here. And this is actually and back pain is strengthening through those muscles. Now when you come up, use your feet to gently press them into the floor and lift. And now when you come back to your mat or the center of the room, let's say you're in a class, and you go into your triangle, and you feel that same alignment, you know that your alignment's good here. But if you don't feel those same sensations, then you know you're a little bit out of alignment, probably need to go from something like leaning forward to straightening and twisting through here for your triangle. Right, so now it becomes a little something less compressive, more advantageous for your back. You're gonna build strength and length. And that's what makes your back pain go away. So let's go to the second side, maybe against the wall. Turning your left foot out. Reaching and stretching into it. Checking your alignment. Buns and blades on the wall. Take some deep breaths. Now, if you're dealing with any kind of prevention of osteoporosis or osteopenia, you may want to use a block under your hand. Because that gives you a little bit less pressure through your spine. And you'll want to stay off definitely for at least a minute. And when you come out again, pressing gently through the feet to lengthen all the way up to standing. So that's how to practice triangle for your back. And so practice that a little bit every day for a week and let me know how you feel at the end of the week.